session. Today we are looking at something very simple. Yes, so we are going to make a simple earring, and with me here are the supplies that you need. You need your tools, a cutter, a chin nose plier, and a round nose plier. I have this, my pearl. I'm going to use these spacers, and then the earlobe ring. I have my pin with a flat end, which we are going to be using. So it's basically about how you want it to look like. And so if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so and be a part of the family. Thank you. So I'll begin by threading this particular one here, then followed by a spacer, and then my pearl. See what we have. Then I'm going to top that up by another spacer, followed by this flat bead. This is what we have. So the next thing I would like to do is make a loop. I will make a loop, and then let's quickly look at that. So I'm going to make the loop by holding the tip, the end of the pin over here where the piece ends, with the tip of my chin nose ply, and bend it this way at 90 degrees. I'm going to bend it this way at 90 degrees. Yes, at 90 degrees. Then with my round nose, I am going to make a loop. Yes, so you see what we have. So I'm going to go in there. I'm going to go in there and then send this backwards, and then basically weave the rest of the pin. Yes, the rest of the pin. Okay, so if it's becoming quite difficult, you either cut it, or you use the ply. The ply can help you. Yes, this way, to try to bring it down. Okay. All right. So here we are. You can decide to straighten this a bit. See what we have. Yes. Okay. So we are done with it. The next thing we want to do is put it into. Okay, let me use another tool here. We open this up a bit and slot our earring in, and then we close it back. Yeah. So here we are. We've successfully made our beaded earring. So thank you for watching, and you can easily make this either for a gift, or maybe you want to make it for sale. Yes. All right. Thank you.